Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gun popsicle sticks. First, gather your materials. You'll need around 20 to 30 standard craft popsicle sticks. A strong adhesive, such as super glue or wood glue, is crucial for a durable build. Also, have a small saw or a sharp craft knife ready for precise cuts. Don't forget some fine grit sandpaper to smooth any rough edges, ensuring a clean and professional finish for your project. Now, let's start building the main body. Begin by gluing 2 popsicle sticks together side by side to form the base of your handle. Next, attach 2 more sticks perpendicularly to create the trigger guard. Carefully layer 5 to 6 sticks on top of each other for the main body, making sure they are perfectly flush. Using a ruler throughout this process will help you maintain straight lines and consistent dimensions for a well-crafted frame. Moving on, it's time to craft the barrel and add some details. Take 3 popsicle sticks and cut them to a length of approximately 4 inches each. Carefully glue these 3 barrel pieces together, stacking them neatly to form a solid barrel. Now, firmly attach this assembled barrel to the front of your main body. Finally, use small scraps from your leftover sticks to create tiny sight pieces and glue them securely on top for a realistic touch. For the final touches, thoroughly sand all rough edges to ensure a smooth, splinter-free finish. This step is important for both appearance and safety. You might also consider painting or staining your creation to give it a personalized look. Remember, this is a toy and should always be used responsibly. Never point your finished craft at people or animals, and always prioritize safe and imaginative play with your new creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.